Hi everybody, just popping on because I had a conversation the other day with a lady who had taken an Access Bars class and she was interested in learning how to do bars on yourself, self bars. And you know, there's no one right way to do any of this Access stuff. Really, it's about playing with it. But I thought I would share how I play with running bars on myself when you don't get a chance to work with somebody else. Maybe there's nobody near you. Maybe you wake up in the middle of the night and your head is just like, oh my gosh, screaming, run my bars. So you can start and do the energy pull by putting your hand at the back of your head and pulling energy. Although oftentimes I've done my bars for 20 years, so I know my energy is already moving. I don't always do that. You can if you like. You can reach up and do the implant band, and especially if you're lying down and you have pillows under your arms, it's like really easy to just run your implant band. You can run it while you're watching a movie, or just hanging out, or even fall asleep like this. Another one that I really love is the aging toaster. And sometimes even when I'm driving in my car, I will just put my hands up on the aging toaster and run it. It just creates so much ease. This one is also really easy to like lie on your side and just have your hand there and fall asleep that way. You can run your bars for a long time that way. And let's see, what else do I like to do? Oh, you can put your thumbs in the implant band and put your fingers either on aging or body and sexuality. So that's a nice way to combine them, and it just creates so much ease. So even if you do it at your desk for a few minutes in your day, can you feel that? It's like, oh my gosh. So there you go. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. If you have any other questions, feel free to ping me. And I do have a bars class in a couple weeks. So check the events page on my website, julietootenenergy.com. I hope to meet you in person someday. Take care.